Buongiorno. Okay, so we take the pizza out of the oven. Look at that. My wife is the master chef of taking pizzas out of ovens. Yes, I do not like to do that. As you can see, it's nice crisp crust. Now what we do is we let it sit. It has to sit, and what's the word? How do you say?
Cool.
No, it's like Chef Ramsay says.
Rest.
It needs to rest. He's tired. He's been in there working all night. Oh, making a pizza. Yes, like me, the Chef Capalbo, like Mrs. Capalbo. How you doing? She's not feeling today. Okay, she's feeling, but she's not feeling good. So anyways, this is what it looks like. Doesn't that look delicious? Yes, it looks greasy. That's because someone likes a lot of cheese, but it'll settle, and we can always dab it.
Doesn't come from the cheese.
Okay, maybe it comes with a pepperoni and a sausage. But you know, we're Italiano. We like to argue a little, eh? No, we don't argue. Don't worry. No, but you know, we stand up for Johnny Depp. He's number one.
Justice for Johnny.
Justice for Johnny Depp. He's a good Italiano. Anyways, remember to... Oh, I almost lost it there. Okay, so you need to subscribe to this channel. Cooking with Mr. Chef Capalbo. No, Cooking with Chef Capalbo. And that's on my MSC Artworks and Magic Mitch Arts. Then you can find me on YouTube. It looks so good. Don't you just want to bite? Smells like pretty good. Okay. Well, take a picture of it when it's cut, and you get to see it when it's done. For till now, bon appetit. No, that's what's her name? Bon appetit. Anyways, Julia Child. That's it. So, ciao, and remember, manja manja.